Imagine asking AI to write an email and getting a very boring and robotic answer. Another person asked the same question with same AI chatbot and got an amazing answer which looked like it's written by a professional. Same AI, same day. So what changed? The prompt, and that's exactly what we are going to talk about next. Mistake number 4, not writing good prompts. One of the biggest mistake beginner believes in. AI स्मार्ट है, इससे कुछ भी पूछो ये ऑटोमेटिकली समझ जाता है. Honestly, AI स्मार्ट है, but AI is not a mind reader. Imagine you go to a restaurant and ask the waiter, bring me food. He most probably asks, Sir, what food? Spicy, veg, non-veg, Indian, Chinese. The more detail you give, the better your food will be. AI work exactly the same way. Let me show you with an example. Bad prompt. Write a YouTube script. Result: generic, boring, robotic. Now watch this. Good prompt. Act as a professional YouTube script writer. Write a 12-minute conversational English script for beginner learning AI. Add storytelling, editing notes, hooks every minute and practical example. See the difference. The quality of your answer depends on quality of your prompt. Now let's talk about the solution. Whenever you are writing a prompt, include your goal, the audience, tone, length, format, example if possible. Now, here's the mistake that look harmless, but if you continue doing it, you never become skilled. Mistake 5. Depending completely on AI. I will be honest, AI really saves lot of time, but there's a danger too. If AI start doing all the things, your own skills stop growing. Think about it. If every math problem is solved using calculator, will your own mental calculation improve? Probably not. The same happens with writer, designer, coding, content creation, and even learning. Many beginners simply copy paste and done. No thinking, no editing, no learning. For a few days it feels fast, but after a few months you will realize that you still can't do anything without AI. Let's say you write a client proposal using AI. Great. But what if your client asks for a follow up and you don't understand what's written? That's the problem of using AI. Use AI as your teacher, not the replacement of your brain. Ask things like, explain this, give my mistake. That's how you will actually learn. With mistake number 6, and surprisingly, there's nothing to do with writing prompt in these mistakes. It's more about protecting yourself online. Mistake number 7, sharing sensitive information with AI. Sometimes people paste everything in AI. The password, personal document, private client file, bank details. Please don't do this. The tools are incredible in using, but you should be careful while sharing your personal information or some confidential data to AI. If you're working with your client's project, then follow the client's privacy requirement and ask them before sharing this personal information to any chatbot. Now let's talk about the solution. Before sharing anything confidential to AI, ask, would I be comfortable sharing this publicly? If the answer is no, then don't do this. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever spent hours watching AI videos, downloading dozens of AI tools, save hundreds of posts, but at the end of the week, you feel like, यार इस week मैंने सीखा क्या? If this is your problem too, then last mistake can probably the reason. Mistake number 7, learning randomly without a roadmap. This was honestly my biggest mistake. One day I was learning ChatGPT, the next day Canva AI. Then someone said Gemini is better, so I switched. Then another video said you should learn Claude. So I switch again. And after a month, I wasn't an expert in anything. Even that time, the things are getting more confusing for me. And most probably, you have experienced this too. Every day, a new AI tool, a new trend, and a new must use AI website. Remember this, you don't need to learn everything. You just need to learn a right thing in a right way. If I were starting again today, here's what exactly I first week learning one chat AI chatbot, well understand prompt, practice every day. Week 2 learn one AI image tool, create social media post, thumbnail, simple graphics. Week 3 learn one productive tool, presentation AI, research AI, or whatever matches my goal. Week 4 building one real project, maybe a YouTube thumbnail, a presentation, a website, or a small portfolio. Project teach you more than endless tutorial. Here's something I wish someone had told me earlier. Don't compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 100. Every expert you are following today was once a beginner. The difference is they stayed consistent, they kept learning, they kept practicing, and slowly everything sorted out. So, if today you are feeling confused, then that's okay. Because confusion is not the sign that you are failing, confusion is the sign that you are learning something new. Just don't stop. Now let's do the quick recap of all that 7 mistakes. Using AI without learning the basic. Blindly trusting every AI answer. Using only one AI tool. Writing weak prompts. Depending completely on AI. Sharing sensitive information with AI. Learning randomly without a roadmap. Learn smart, not hard. Now, I have a small challenge for you guys. Today, don't download 10 new AI tools. Just choose, spend 30 minutes exploring it, ask questions, experiment, make mistakes, take notes, and then come back to this video and comment. Done. I will genuinely love to know how your learning journey is going. And if you are facing problem in any of the AI tool, just comment it down. Maybe the next video on exactly the same tool. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button because it really helps the channel to grow. And if you want to learn freelancing, website, digital marketing and start your journey in this field, then make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Because on this channel we are not just learning AI, we are actually building some skills which will help us in our future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.